Creating a Ghost website involves setting up the Ghost platform, which is a simple and powerful content management system, primarily designed for blogging. Here's a quick guide on how to set up a Ghost website. Install Ghost. First, you need a server to host your website. You can use platforms like DigitalOcean or install Ghost on your own hosting via a VPS. Ghost requires Node.js to run, so make sure your hosting provider supports it. To install, follow the Ghost installation guide on your server. Configure Ghost. After installation, configure your Ghost instance by visiting the admin panel. The default URL is yourdomain.com/ghost. You'll be asked to set up an admin account to manage your content. Select a theme. Ghost supports custom themes. You can either choose a free theme from the official marketplace or design your own. To install a theme, simply upload the theme files via the admin panel. Create content. Once your theme is set, you can start creating content. Ghost is optimized for blogging, so adding posts, pages, and newsletters is straightforward via the intuitive editor. Publish and customize. Customize your website further by adding custom code, integrating third-party tools, or adjusting settings. When you're ready, publish your site for the world to see.